Hi everyone, it's time for us to learn English. Most welcome to all of you to today's English time. Let's gonna learn the second unit of our textbook, Tales and Tunes. Tales, what do you mean by tales? Stories. Do you like to listen to stories? Of course, we like to listen to stories, right? And there are different types of stories. What kind of stories do you like to listen to? Stories of animals, stories of birds, stories of clever kings. Different types of stories are there, right? And who tells you these stories? Your parents, grandparents, or great grandparents? We get different stories from our elders, right? When we get a story, our duty is to tell the story to our friends, next generation, right? And do you tell stories to your friends? If you know any story, you must say it to your friends. Ready? Let's come to a story. Let's see Vimal's grandmother. She has got something to say about short stories. Let's listen to it. Vimal is a lucky boy. He has a grandmother who tells him lots of stories. Every night at bedtime, there is a story for him. What fantastic stories grandmother has told Vimal. Stories of animals and birds, of clever and senseless people, of magic and music, stars and sages, and many more. Vimal's grandmother used to tell stories to Vimal at bedtime before going to sleep. ഉറങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുൻപ് വിമലിനോട് കഥ പറയുമായിരുന്നു. Who? Grandmother. Who tells a story? Grandmother. And what type of stories did she say to Vimal? She said stories of animals, birds, and clever and senseless people, of magic and music, stars and stages. She used to tell different types of stories to Vimal. പല തരത്തിലുള്ള കഥകൾ വിമലിനോട് പറയുമായിരുന്നു. One day, Vimal asked his grandmother if stories grew on trees. She laughed and said, "No, not on trees." "Then where do you get the stories from?" Vimal asked. And one day, Vimal asked his grandmother, "Where do you get these stories from? And where do these stories grow?" Grow means valaruka. And Vimal asked if the stories are growing on the tree. മരത്തിന് മുകളിലാണോ ഈ കഥയൊക്കെ വളരുന്നത്? And grandmother said, "No, it is not growing on the trees." Then Vimal asked, "Where do you get?" Get means ലഭിക്കുക. "Where do you get these stories from?" "I got them from my grandmother." "I in turn tell you, Vimal, remember to tell your friends these stories so that they can also enjoy them." Grandmother got stories from her grandmother, and she asked Vimal to tell these stories to his friends. വിമലിനോട് ഈ കഥകളൊക്കെ അവൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോട് പറയാൻ ഗ്രാൻഡ്മദർ പറയുകയാണ്. So they can also enjoy. But Vimal said, "No, I don't want to tell them any of these stories. They are my stories, my treasure. I don't want to give them away." But Vimal said, "I won't say the stories to my friends because they are my stories. I will not say the stories to anybody. They are my treasure." Treasure means nidhi. All these stories are mine. ഇതൊക്കെ എൻ്റെ കഥകളാണ്. They are my treasure. എൻ്റെ നിധിയാണ്. I won't say it to anybody. "Don't be silly, my boy. Don't be silly, my boy. Stories are meant to be told. Listen and tell. That's the law of the story kingdom," his grandmother said. But grandmother said, "That's not the way. That's not the right way." What is the law of the story kingdom? Stories are meant to be told. കഥകൾ പറയപ്പെടാനുള്ളതാണ്. That's the story. Dear children, have you heard of the famous storyteller Aesop? Aesop കഥകൾ നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Aesop was a Greek slave who lived in 600 BC. Slave means adima. He was a slave and he lived in 600 BC. And Aesop did not in fact write the fables he told. They have been orally passed on from generation to generation. They still live in the minds of people. ഈസോപ്പ് കഥകൾ എഴുതപ്പെട്ടവയല്ല, അവ വാമൊഴിയായി ഒരാളിൽ നിന്ന് മറ്റൊരാളിലേക്ക് പകർന്ന് നൽകപ്പെട്ടതാണ്. ഈസോപ്പ് ഫേബിൾസ് ഓറലി പാസ്ഡ് ഓൺ, വാമൊഴിയായി പറയപ്പെട്ടത്. ഫ്രം ജനറേഷൻ ടു ജനറേഷൻ, പല തലമുറകളായി പറയപ്പെട്ടവയാണ്. സോ വാട്ട് ഡു മീൻ ബൈ എ ഫേബിൾ? എ ഫേബിൾ ഈസ് എ ട്രഡീഷണൽ സ്റ്റോറി ദാറ്റ് ടീച്ചസ് എ മോറൽ, എസ്പെഷ്യലി വൺ വിത്ത് ആനിമൽസ് ആസ് characters. In all the fables there will be a moral, gunapadam, and animals will be there as characters. Now let's watch a fable. Please watch this video.
One day an elephant wandered into a jungle in search of friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. Elephant said,
"Will you be my friend?"
Monkey replied,
"You are too big. You can't swing from trees like me."
Next day, he met a rabbit.
"Will you be my friend?"
Rabbit,
"You are too big. You can't play in my burrow."
Then he went to Frog.
"Please make friendship with me."
Frog,
"How is it possible? You are too big. You can't leap about like me."
Elephant was upset. A fox appeared. He asked her.
"Will you be happy to have a friend like me?"
Fox said,
"Sorry, sir. You are too big."
The next day, the elephant saw all the animals were running for their lives. Elephant asked the fox.
"What is the matter?"
Fox replied,
"There is a lion and he is trying to kill all of us."
All the animals were running away to hide. Meanwhile, the lion kept eating up whoever he could find. The elephant went to the lion and said,
"Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat up all these poor animals."
Lion replied,
"Mind your own business."
The elephant had no choice but to give the lion a hefty kick. The frightened lion ran for his life. The elephant ambled back into the jungle and announced the good news to all. All the animals thanked him and said,
You are just the right size to be our friend.
Watched the video? How did you feel it? Did you like it? ഇതൊരു ഈസോപ്പ് കഥയാണ്. This is an Aesop fable. March 20 is the World Storytelling Day. Stories come to us from elders, from our grandparents and grandparents. And once we get stories once heard must be passed on. If we hear a story, we have to tell the stories to others. Stories go beyond the boundaries of time and space. They lead us to wisdom. Do you have the habit of telling a story? Dear children, as part of this lesson, we are gonna conduct a storytelling competition. Are you ready? ഈ ലെസണിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായി നമ്മളൊരു കഥ പറയൽ മത്സരം, സ്റ്റോറി ടെല്ലിംഗ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ നടത്താൻ പോവുകയാണ്. ഇതിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് 1 മിനിറ്റിൽ താഴെയുള്ള ഒരു സ്റ്റോറി ടെല്ലിംഗ് വീഡിയോ എടുത്ത് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരിക. നാളെ വൈകുന്നേരം 5 മണി വരെ സമയമുണ്ട്, അതിനുള്ളിൽ എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരിക. ആൻഡ് ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് പെർഫോമേഴ്സ് വിൽ ബി ഗിവൺ ക്യാഷ് പ്രൈസസ്. ഏറ്റവും നന്നായി പെർഫോം ചെയ്യുന്ന 3 പേർക്ക് ഞാൻ ക്യാഷ് പ്രൈസ് സമ്മാനമായി നൽകുന്നതാണ്. ഏറ്റവും നന്നായി പെർഫോം ചെയ്യുന്ന 3 പേർക്ക് ക്യാഷ് പ്രൈസ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ആർ യു റെഡി? സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് searching for the stories. You can get stories from this site. You can take any stories, no problem. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏത് തരത്തിലുള്ള കഥയും എടുക്കാം. The length of the video must be maximum 1 minute. 1 മിനിറ്റിൽ താഴെയുള്ള ഒരു വീഡിയോ എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരിക. So are you ready? So get ready and do it today itself. Send it fast. Cash prizes are waiting for you. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഇവിടെ ക്യാഷ് പ്രൈസ് തയ്യാറായിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. So get ready and do it very fast. And that's all for the day. Thank you.